Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Everything you are about to witness is for educational purposes only, and all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content, and as always, enjoy the video.
Knife on you, do you?
No, I put it back in the room.
Come talk to us. You can just sit it down. Tell us what's going on.
We were fighting yesterday, and I didn't come back. He wanted me to come back, and I didn't. So I came back today, to try to get the rest of my stuff. He wasn't letting me. I was like, I'm just trying to get my stuff, then leave, that's it. He said no. My son started grabbing the remote and stuff, and he hit him getting it back. He's gonna tell you, I just grabbed the remote. No, he put force into my son. So as a mom, I flipped out, and I hit him. I said, don't touch my son, take it out on me. Don't take it out on my son. So
Okay, where's he at right now?
he's in the room.
Okay.
But he knows he's gone. He's been running. He has a felony warrant.
He has a felony warrant?
Yeah, he knows he's gone. He's been running for a while already.
Hey, you want to watch the other side of the house? 8178. Just watch the back side of the house for us.
The roommate, it's his house, his mom's house. He didn't want anybody involved. He met his roommate during work and allowed him to live with him.
Okay. Did you both live here?
No.
Who lives here?
He does. It's not his house, though. It's the roommate's house.
Were you living here?
No, but I was here. I stay the night often, very often.
Okay.
Or I have half of my stuff here.
So last night you guys got into a fight or an argument.
Yes.
It was all
No,
verbal?
yeah, verbal, because I live somewhere else. And he was like, come back and da-da-da. And I was like, I'm not, because I don't really hang out with my sister. I put all my time and everything with him. Like I said, I stayed here all last week. I went to work, came back home, went back.
But you left last night after the
I
argument.
left.
You came back
no,
today?
I went to work and I didn't come back. He wanted me to come back after work, and I said, no, it's my sister's birthday. I don't ever hang out with her. I'm going to go, go to my sister's birthday party. He got pissed off about that because my hair he pulled out.
Okay, so you came back today to just get some stuff?
I came back this morning and I said, look, we can be over it. It's fine. I don't care. Let me get my stuff, my son's stuff. He took my son's shoes and said, you're not taking these. I bought these and took them. I said, it's my son's shoes, which they're all backwards out. But I said, they're his shoes. He's like, I bought them. I said.
Is it Miguel?
He's wearing basketball shorts and a white shirt. Is that him?
Osvaldo?
Yeah, that's the roommate, but is he wearing pants or, because...
Okay, we'll figure it out.
He's a liar.
Osvaldo?
Osvaldo is the roommate.
Miguel, it's the Baytown Police Department. You need to come out of the house now, man.
Do we know if he has any weapons?
We know of a knife, that's it. Miguel, it's the Baytown Police Department. You need to come out now. If you do not cooperate, we're going to end up sending a dog in to bite you, man. Miguel, you are under arrest. You need to come out now.
Come out of the house with nothing in your hands.
Just call out if he wants to.
Slowly take it. If you see anything in his hands, then just dump him first before you send him out. Alright? On y'all.
Miguel, this is the Baytown Police Department. Come outside of the house with no weapons, nothing in your hands.
If you want to do something, it's up to you.
Living room, hallway to the right.
More announcements. It's up to you.
No, we've given a ton of announcements.
Miguel,
Announcements?
I'd give one more from here.
Miguel, the Baytown Police Department. Come out now or we're coming in.
Y'all ready to send the dog up?
Yeah. Okay, hold right there. We're gonna send the dog and let him clear his house.
Alright, we got a dog in here. Alright, we'll push up and take some and then resend him.
Okay. Hey, just hold right here. I call those tools up. It looks like all the way we can go to the right. Can't tell if that actually connects or not.
There's Bruce. Yeah, there's a Bruce.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Nix.
Check the half open door and that's all right. Hey Lee, can you see that deep left corner of that living room?
Say what?
Deep left corner of this living room?
No, it keeps going.
Oh, I'm talking about to your left. Alright, got him right there.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's fine. It's just kind of TV. Oh, notes right there. I don't know.
Alright, hey, the door. You're gonna eat that hallway door right there, and we're gonna clear this other room. Alright, cool. Hold right there. Hey, this door's open over here.
Yeah, it goes outside.
You have eyes on that?
Yes.
It's like a horse or something.
Come over here.
Luke!
Here.
Blue, blue, blue.
So it looks like that's a bathroom and there's another door. It keeps going up.
I'm just waiting for Carol to come back up.
Bathroom through there. Bathroom to the right.
He's see what he's doing now.
We're just looking around. Not alerting on anything.
We had that when we came right.
You don't find an access?
Yeah, come here, leave it. Alright, check in the left.
Yeah, come on. Close door, right? Hey, please grab.
Huh?
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
Loading to closed door, right?
Fogash! Fogash.
Loading to closed door on that.
Alright. He's cleared this. And popped his head in this one if y'all wanna.
Hey, pin it on left. Clear right.
Morin!
Pin it on left. Clear right.
Fogash! Fogash! Fexic! Fuck, get my commands mixed up. Fexic!
Make sure you're covering up.
was full of crap.
All right.
The one that's open.
Hey, I'm gonna call him back to me. We're gonna challenge that door, I guess.
Go.
Here. Y'all try calling off from there.
Is that room to the right been clear?
That's a bathroom short range.
Just watch that out. I want you to leave. What's his name, Miguel?
Miguel.
Hold on, we're gonna try calling him out.
Miguel, we know you're in there, man. You need to come out. The dog will bite you.
I hear moving. Is it up?
Yeah, it's
Is that what you heard the movement? Fix!
Alright. Push up to the hole.
Breach and let him go.
It's locked.
You got that breach or
Yeah. Hold on. What's her number?
Yeah.
184.
184.
184 running breach or twist.
Hey, do you wanna breach and let it breathe, or you wanna breach and send him immediately?
Breach and send. Nobody else is in here, right?
Fix it.
Face down, floor.
Sluggish!
Hands on their face. Do it now.
Bring him out! Is he on contact?
hands behind your back.
Hand behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Hand behind your back. Alright, on you, good. Hand goes behind your back. As soon as the dog comes off, hand behind your back.
Hey, cousin.
Alright,
Coming out.
let's get him out.
Yo, man, good boy. Got the boys.
Stand up.
Good boys.
There you go. Send somebody up here.
Hey, give me a tourniquet on his arm.
Somebody get some gloves.
Couldn't you understand that I was talking before one of Step this way for me. There you go. Yeah, I'm just trying to.
Hey, somebody grab the breacher too?
Yeah, go right here.
On the door.
I told you, man, come on, second here.
Spread the lights for me.
Over there? Okay.
No, second's right here.
Watch out.
Oh, right there, yeah.
I said
Okay.
we're all down there, so they should be coming. Somebody flags them down. I'll see EMS. I told them to come up second.
Alright. Just wait for EMS right here.
No, take them over there second. Let Natalie do. We get your
You wanna-
picture things and we'll do
Yeah,
that.
okay.
get my stuff, please?
We'll grab your, that's your stuff right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna grab it, all right? So I'm Officer Robinson, the one you were talking to. This is what we didn't want to
I
happen.
guess get his one first. Because they might transfer. We'll find out here in a second.
we're gonna have EMS.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content. Or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.